Aloha guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Christiani, and today I'm just gonna share with you guys a Capmesso right there. That's the brand of their company. I know I did a review maybe a year ago or so with their little, with these. Hold on, let me get it. I did a review on these for my Nespresso. It's just the foil caps that you can use for your pods. Um, Let me get the pods. If you guys hearing that growling, never mind. That's just my dog, Miss Navea. Okay, so you can reuse your pods. Um, and I did a review way back about it, and then they just contacted me to do a collab with them and test out their products. Um, so we're gonna go ahead and do that today, and I'm gonna make my coffee this morning. So I just want to say the first thing you will need of your own would be clean pods. So these are clean, and that's the only thing that this doesn't come with is the pods. You would have to clean yours out and you can reuse them. Okay, so the first one I have here, this is a coffee capsule holder and seal kit for any size of Nespresso. And it does come with a little brush that you can brush the grains. And then it comes with a little spoon as well. And you guys know, if you guys follow me for a long time, you guys know I love my coffee. I have a little coffee thing going on there. And then here. And it has a warranty, and it came with more of these. And let's just unbox the other one. It says easy refill seal kit. Okay. Sometimes you might want to say, oh, does it really work? It did work when I used it. I just haven't been using my Nespresso lately, but now I want to use it again. And then this here, it came with more of these seals. So these seals are really good. Okay. And then for this one here, I'm just doing a small little thumbnail. Okay. And then you can find these on Amazon actually, and then I'll leave a link down below. For these right here, you can just use your own beans. Like I like to use, I love Ely coffee and the Lavazza coffee. Those are so good, And then having this, you can use any beans or any coffee you want in your pods. Because I know sometimes it just seems it's hard to find, like in the Vertuo line, it's hard to find a lot of different coffees except Nespresso. So, okay. So, let's see. Okay, we're gonna use like this. I'm figuring that you can just close it up. It didn't come with any. Let me just check. Okay, so this is easy seal. It says refill and seal kit, refill press scoop, and aluminum lids. Okay, okay. For this one here, okay, so this one here, we can put these pods here, and then put it here. Okay, and this one came with this here. Okay. And you can lift it up here. Okay, see how easy and convenient that is? I really like the way this looks, but I feel this one is very easy, like, because I like this part where it can seal it. It'll seal better, but I like both of them, you know? You can hold your stuff here, and then this one here, it has a little, oh, I don't know if you can put that there, but you can put it here. So both of them are pretty good. This one seals it with a little twist, and this one has a little holder, you can hold the brush here. You know, so I guess it's all preference, which look you like the best. But I want to say I like this one because the seal. But I like both of them. Thank you so much for collabing with me. We are now going to go ahead and make my coffee, and you guys will see how effective it is. Okay, let's go. Look at that. Looks good. Okay, so that's how the pod works. Then it'll just lift up and go back in there. Okay, so I'm just using fat-free milk. Okay, we're gonna let the frother froth it. And then that's how you make your Nespresso. See, it's kind of, I think you gotta grind your beans correctly for espresso. So I think I have to grind it a little bit more fine so that the crema will be more. And don't forget to love your life, guys. Thought I'd share that. I'm gonna be using some of this, just a little scoop in my coffee. Okay, so there it is. And you just pour your milk in there. Yeah, I don't know how to make nice designs and stuff, but I'm just gonna mix it, but that's how I like it. And then there's my coffee. Share this with you guys. Okay, so I was like, before I was looking high and low for ways I could refill my Nespresso pods, and I did come across this thing here. It's like really heavy metal that you put onto your thingy here. But this only worked for a little, like, this is not very good. It's heavy, the weight is not gonna be what the Nespresso is used to, so it might ruin your machine. This only worked a few times. I mean, it didn't last very long. So I stopped using it because I feel like it was throwing off my Nespresso machine, or it wasn't working very well with it. So if you guys are going to buy something like this that is metal, don't waste your money. I would buy this one instead, or this one, because this one is still the same. I don't know how the Nespresso does, but I feel like it weighs your pod on how much, you know. I don't know, but that's what I think. I think this was ruining my machine, so you don't want to ruin your machine. So don't buy the really heavy metal thing. I would go for this instead. Um, and if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions about it, go ahead and comment. I will get back to you as soon as I can. And I will see you all in my next video. And good morning. Have a good day. This is really good coffee because I put my little creamer in. I use this for creamer, guys. So I use this, like a scoop of this for creamer, and it's so good. It's a good creamer. Yeah, just thought I'd share that with you guys. You guys take care. God bless. I will see you all in my next video. Mwah.